Roxy, I'm glad to see you again. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. I hope you are fine too. How was your holiday? Are you enjoying? Okay, today we are going to learn English with Miss Dini. Before we start our lesson, everybody raise your hand and let's say Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay friends, before we start our lesson, I have a video. Happy watching and enjoy it.
Quack, quack.
Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see? A cow, a cow, a dog, a dog, a duck, a duck, a horse. A horse, a sheep, a sheep. That's what you see. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you hear? A dog!
Quack, quack, quack.
A duck! A horse! A sheep! That's what you hear. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see? Let's take a walk, 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 Goodbye, cow. Goodbye, dog.
Quack, quack, quack.
Goodbye, duck. Goodbye, horse. Goodbye, sheep. Goodbye, elephant. Elephant? On the farm?
How about the video? Do you know what's the topic today? Yeah, we are going to learn about farm animals. Everybody, I want to show you the picture, animal on the farm. Now, take a look at the picture. Do you know what animal is it? The sound of animal is meow, meow. Do you know? Exactly. It is a cat. 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 C-A-T. Cat. Can you repeat please? Very nice. If you see more than one, you can say cats. Take a look next picture. Do you know what animal is it? Yeah, it's a chicken. It's a chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. If you see more than one chicken, you can say chickens. Chickens. Okay, next one. What animal is it? The sound of animal is moo. Do you know? Yeah, it's a cow. It's a cow. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Can you repeat, please? Very good. But if you see more than one, you can say cows. Cows. Next picture. It's a dog. It's a dog. 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 D-O-G. Dog. If you see the animal more than one, you can say dogs. How about the picture? Do you know? Yeah, it's a donkey. It's a donkey. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. But if you see more than one, you can say donkeys. 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 Next one. The sound of animal is quack, 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 quack. Do you know? Yeah, it's a duck. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. If you see more than one the animal, you can say ducks. Ducks. What animal is it? Yeah, it's a goat. 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 G-O-A-T. Goat. If you see more than one, we can say goats. Goats. Okay, now the next animal. What animal is it? Do you know? Yeah, it's a horse. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. If you see more than one, you can say horses. Horses. And the last animal, do you know what is it? Yeah, it's a sheep. Okay friends, I think it's enough. Today we have learned about